Hello, this video will show you how to publish your poem onto our collaborative slide deck. So first things first, have this slide deck open. If you don't know where to get it, let me just show you really fast. So it was in Google Classroom. You want to first of all look at the directions, which are here on this HyperDoc. We are down at publish, okay? After you read those directions, you want to X out of them, and then the collaborative slide deck is right here. So that should be open, and hit the squarrow to open it up into slides if you haven't done that already. Okay, next thing you want to do is have your poem that you already wrote on your weekly pages in your English journal. So just take one finger up, find your docs, your Google Docs, pull them over to the corner, right or left, it doesn't matter, and then search for your English journal here with the magnifying glass. I put example in front of mine because that's what the title is, but you can just put English journal and it should just pop right on up. So there's mine. And then you should have some poems here at the top that we wrote yesterday. You needed to write 2, so you don't want to just have a feeling poem, you need another kind. But choose your best one to publish, okay? Now, the directions I have on the front my example, so look at that. And then here are your directions. Pause this video so you can read them to yourself. It's very important that you read them. Okay, if you are still watching this, that means you have read all of the directions and you know what you're going to put on your slide. Now, notice that after you're done, you do have to comment on a classmate's. Okay, and here's some ideas for how to comment. And then over here, these are your slide numbers. So find your name and then find the slide that you are supposed to work on. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the very end. 34 is Timothy, so I'm going to work on 35. Okay, and if you want, you can actually copy and paste your poem. So pick your best poem, just select it, copy it, and then on your slide number, press the plus, press text, and then make your text box a little bigger probably, and then you could paste your poem. Now that is way too small, so you want to select, get the font bigger. Okay, and then you can, I want a title, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And then you can change the color, so whatever color you like, but make it go with what you're talking about. So I'm going to go with bright blue for mine. Okay, then what else can you do? You can change the font, and you want the font to go with what you're talking about. I'm talking about optimism, so I'm going to maybe go with Bubblegum Sands. Now I can make it a little bit bigger. I like that. Okay, so then I'm going to put this, my finger here, I need to have a title. So I'm going to press return, put a title in the center. I'm just going to call it Optimism by Amy. Just put your first name because we are publishing these. Now I'm going to stop this video and make another one about how to add images. This is just the first one about how to put your text. Okay, so if you want to know how to find how to add images, watch the next video.